Apartment codes require sealing toilets to the floor to prevent water migration between units and protect shared structural elements. Apartment buildings use continuous or interconnected substrates, so any water that escapes a toilet can travel through floor slabs or penetrations and damage neighboring units, so codes specify a positive seal at the fixture flange and often a water-resistant or monolithic floor assembly. Start by confirming the existing flange height and type. You need the flange to sit on the finished floor surface or use an adjustable flange to achieve that. Always use a proper wax ring or elastomeric ring rated for the application and for the expected floor finish thickness, and when replacing a wax ring, choose a flange extender or spacer if the flange is below the finished floor. For installations on concrete slabs, carry out a full flange and drain inspection for cracks or voids, and use a hydrophobic sealant or specialized wax designed for slab conditions. Ensure the sealant cures fully before testing. Torque closet bolts evenly to avoid crushing the ring or creating a channel for leakage. If bolts feel loose, replace them and use corrosion-resistant hardware. For multi-unit buildings, coordinate with maintenance or property management to document the work and, when possible, test for leaks with a 5-minute sit test using water and visual inspection at accessible ceiling or service spaces below. Common mistakes include relying on an old compressed wax ring that has flattened and no longer seals, which lets water trickle under the flange, so replace worn rings and inspect the flange for corrosion. Another issue is setting the toilet before the floor finish is complete, which leaves the flange too low and creates a pathway for water. Either use flange extenders or reinstall after floor finishes are set. A third problem is overuse of generic sealants that do not bond to both flange and floor or that are incompatible with the ring material. Choose products specified for toilet to floor sealing and follow manufacturer cure times and substrate preparation steps. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information specific to bathroom sealing and code differences between apartments and houses. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real job experiences and practical tips to help you decide the right approach.